A personal brand website used to take weeks to build and thousands of dollars to design professionally. Most people who need one put it off. The technical barrier feels too high. The cost feels unjustifiable. The time investment feels impossible alongside everything else. So they stay invisible online, missing opportunities that go to people who showed up and made it easy for others to find them. AI removes every one of those barriers. Today, I am showing you how to build a professional personal brand website in a single day using AI tools. No coding, no design experience, no agency, just a clear system and one focused day. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. What a personal brand website actually needs. Before building anything, let me be clear about what a personal brand website needs to accomplish. Because most people overbuild or underbuild, spending time on the wrong things and missing the elements that actually matter. A personal brand website has one job. When someone searches for you or visits your site, they should immediately understand who you are, what you do, who you help, and how to work with you or follow your work. 4 elements. That is it. Everything else is decoration. Your site needs a homepage that communicates all 4 elements in under 10 seconds. An about page that builds genuine connection and credibility. A work or services page that clearly explains what you offer. And a contact or connect page that makes reaching you completely frictionless. Most personal brand websites fail because they either try to include too much or they bury the most important information behind clever design and vague language. AI helps you avoid both mistakes. Morning, foundation, and content. With Claude, the morning session is entirely focused on creating the written content for every page of your site. This is the most important work of the day, and AI makes it dramatically faster than writing from scratch. Open Claude and give it a complete brief about yourself, your professional background, your areas of expertise, your target audience, who you want to reach and why, the specific problems you solve for people, your tone, how you want to come across, 3 to 5 words that describe your personal brand style, and any existing writing samples so Claude can match your natural voice. Ask Claude to write your homepage headline, the single most important line on your entire website. The headline should communicate what you do and who you help in under 10 words. Ask for 10 variations and choose the one that feels most accurate and most compelling. Then ask Claude to write your homepage opening paragraph, your about page, your services or work page, and your contact page copy, each section in sequence. Review everything carefully. Add personal stories and specific examples that only you could provide. Adjust any phrasing that does not sound like you. The AI produces the structure and the first draft. You add the authentic human layer that makes it genuinely yours. By midday, you have professional copy for every page of your website, work that would have taken a freelance copywriter several days to produce. Afternoon, design and build. With your content ready, the afternoon is for building the actual website. Choose a free website builder that requires no technical knowledge. Look for one that offers professional templates, drag and drop content placement, and publishing to a custom domain with minimal setup. Choose a clean, minimal template. The biggest design mistake on personal brand websites is choosing something visually impressive that distracts from the content. Your content is the asset. The design should present it cleanly rather than compete with it. Place your Claude written content into the template. Homepage headline prominent at the top. Clear navigation to your About, Work, and Contact pages. Your professional photo placed beside your About section or on the homepage introduction. Ask Claude to write the meta title and meta description for each page, the text appearing in search results. These additions improve how your site appears in searches and take 10 minutes to add. By late afternoon, your site is built and ready to review. Evening. polish and publish. The evening session is for final review and launch. Read every page out loud. Anything that sounds awkward when spoken will feel awkward to a visitor reading it. Fix what does not flow naturally. Ask Claude to review your homepage headline and about page opening one final time, checking whether each communicates your value clearly to someone who has never heard of you. Check your contact page carefully. A simple contact form or visible email address is all you need. Remove any friction entirely. Add your social profile links. Check every link works. Confirm your site looks clean on mobile. Most visitors will see it on their phone first. Then, publish it. What to do after you publish your website is a living document, not a finished product. Update it whenever your work or expertise evolves. Add case studies or results when you have them. Publish occasional articles or insights if you want to build search presence over time. Ask Claude to help you write each update, keeping your content fresh signals to both visitors and search engines that your site is actively maintained. Share your new website everywhere immediately. Your email signature. Your social profiles. Any professional communities you are part of. The website only creates opportunity when people know it exists. Your action plan. Starting today, block one full day in your calendar this week. Morning for content with Claude. Afternoon for building. Evening for polish and publish. By the end of that day, you have a professional personal brand website that makes it easy for the right people to find you, understand your value, and reach out. Visibility creates opportunity. A day of focused work creates visibility. What is the most important thing you want visitors to understand about you when they land on your site? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a clear one-day website plan, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.